I feel that I've pressed heavily on a whole lot of emotional related topics, and I feel like my brain is just kind of on fire, and I need to stop for a while. I need to do some meditation, perhaps. If you're feeling this way as well, if you feel a little overwhelmed, just bring yourself back to the moment and focus on the here and now, what's happening around you. Also, stretching. I like to do different stretches. There's this one thing that I've been doing that helps with your hips. The move, it kind of goes like this, like just watch and then you'll see. It's pretty nice, watch. And I don't want you to freak out or get like weirded out about it, but if you go like this, you go like, it'll get this muscle. And then do one of these. Something like that. The idea, I guess, would be to just keep a position long enough to count to 8. Count in as you're inhaling. I like to do that. I like to do 8s. For some reason, I'll do 4 and 4. Sometimes I'll inhale for 8 seconds, hold it for about 7 randomly, and then exhale slowly as I count to 8 as well. Just keep in mind of the ball joint in your hip. It's like a ball and socket, so the more you move it around, the more flexible you become. Give that a try. Just become a little less tense. Like when you wake up in the morning, start doing that, because for me, I don't know about you, my lower back likes to get tense. So if you do some of the stretches with your hips, it'll get your lower back as well. And almost, if you imagine your spine kind of being pivoted and massaging and stretching each little muscle within each vertebrae, if that makes sense. Visualize it like that. That's how I do it. It's weird, I know, but if you visualize positivity coming in, filling up the physical body, thinking like metaphysical, but also physical, and it's all connected. So you're just breathing out the bad and breathing in the good. I just put up a podcast a second ago if you want to check that out. I feel like my podcasts are becoming a little more valuable now because I'm reading some books and doing different things like that. So I'm excited to see where this journey takes me. It's only step 1. Go check out my website too. I update it every day. I like to write on it. I'll just have it in a tab and like just write some things that kind of come to my mind. And I write a blog post every single day. So it's gonna be a good day. Let's have a good day, everybody.